A leaked clip of the DJI Pocket 4 has ignited a whirlwind of excitement online, fueling debates about whether the footage is authentic or AI-generated. The Pocket 4 is shaping up to be the most significant upgrade in DJI's compact camera lineup, boasting a sleeker, lighter design and a dual-sensor setup designed to deliver cinematic quality footage. Rumors suggest the main sensor could be a staggering 1-inch 50-megapixel unit, promising ultra-sharp visuals, while a secondary sensor, likely a 1/1.3-inch square design, could give creators new flexibility for vertical video, ideal for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. This combination of sensors hints at unprecedented creative possibilities, especially for content creators seeking to capture fast-moving action or low-light scenes with exceptional clarity. In addition to the upgraded sensors, the Pocket 4 is expected to feature a larger battery, enhanced stabilization, and smarter onboard processing. These improvements could make it an ultimate tool for vloggers, travelers, or anyone looking to capture high-quality content on the go. While some leaks showed what appeared to be a secondary screen, insiders suggest it may not function as an image preview but rather as a control display for camera settings. Though DJI hasn't confirmed this yet. Comparing the evolution of DJI's Pocket cameras, the Pocket 2 came with a modest 1-inch LCD touchscreen, while both the Pocket 3 and Pocket 4 adopt the larger 2-inch OLED rotating screen, improving color accuracy and visibility. Sensor-wise, the Pocket 2 features a 1.7-inch CMOS sensor capable of 64-megapixel stills and 4000 video at 60 fps. The Pocket 3 upgraded to a 1-inch 12-megapixel sensor with 4000 at 12 fps, excellent for smooth slow-motion capture. Now, the Pocket 4 takes a giant leap with its 1-inch 50-megapixel main sensor and secondary 1.3-inch sensor, capable of recording 8K video, making it suitable for professional-level content. Stabilization has also evolved significantly. The Pocket 2 relied on a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, while the Pocket 3 introduced SmartTrack 6.0 for smoother footage. The Pocket 4 promises a revolutionary 4-axis magnetic levitation gimbal paired with AI prediction algorithms, offering ultra-smooth motion even in dynamic filming situations. Pricing starts at $353 for the Pocket 2, $495 for the Pocket 3, and $799 for the Pocket 4, positioning it as a serious contender for creators seeking maximum performance in a compact setup. DJI aims for a December release, but potential US tariffs and an FCC ban on DJI products in late December 2025 could push availability into early 2026. Meanwhile, FCC filings confirm the hardware is finalized, the design is locked, and the battery capacity has been increased from 1,300 mAh in the Pocket 3 to 1,545 mAh in the Pocket 4. A square secondary sensor could revolutionize vertical content creation, allowing true 4K vertical shots without compromising resolution, a major advantage for modern social media trends. The video also touches on the broader drone landscape, highlighting the innovative One, a flying camera centered around an 8K 360 capture system. Unlike traditional drones that require careful framing and piloting, the One captures everything around it, letting creators choose their angle in post-production. This freedom allows for forward, backward, downward, and sideways shots without worrying about tilting the camera, making it particularly appealing for beginners, FPV enthusiasts, and travel vloggers. The One represents a shift toward drones that prioritize creative freedom over piloting precision, offering a liberating filming experience. Despite its impressive capabilities, the One isn't flawless, battery life is modest, and processing 8,360 footage demands powerful computers, with occasional stitching artifacts around water, foliage, or close objects. Still, it introduces a generational change in drone filmmaking, emphasizing presence and creative control over technical complexity. DJI is clearly preparing a response to this new approach with its upcoming releases. The leaks around the DJI Avid suggest the company is taking the evolving market seriously, aiming to maintain its dominance. The One and DJI's new lineups come from contrasting philosophies. The One is a 360 camera that flies, delivering smooth, automatic footage, while DJI's upcoming solutions may offer faster, more manual control with enhanced stability, Features like retractable landing gear in these drones help maintain unobstructed views, though creators must weigh the trade-offs between creative freedom, traditional FPV-style control, and the processing power required for high-resolution footage. Ultimately, the DJI Pocket 4 looks set to redefine what a pocket-sized camera can achieve, blending extreme portability with professional-grade capabilities. Its combination of a massive 50-megapixel sensor, dual-sensor versatility, AI-powered stabilization, and 8K recording potential makes it a dream tool for vloggers, travelers, and creators who refuse to compromise on quality. Meanwhile, the broader industry is experiencing a creative renaissance, with devices like the one challenging conventional drone filmmaking and encouraging creators to prioritize freedom and experimentation over technical mastery. As DJI prepares its counterattack, the competition promises to push innovation further, giving content creators more tools than ever to capture stunning, boundary-pushing visuals. The next wave of cameras and drones is not just about specs, it's about redefining how creators interact with the world and capture memories, offering experiences that feel intuitive, liberating, and remarkably cinematic.